ba? Kahit ko mag... Ako yung lagi. Kaya ako tagiyan sa channel! Ako tagiyan sa channel. It is very beautiful. We're going to here next to the church.
Guwapo kayo dito sa Philippines.
And we're gonna go here. We're almost there, guys.
And you want some rose?
Look at some roses. There's some roses, some
Look,
flowers.
you can see a cute puppy and a
There's
cat.
cute there's
Where's the
puppies
puppy?
and cats.
No, it's only a cat, you dummy.
Yeah, there's only cats. She told me that there was dogs. So here we are.
This is the personality.
Palit may pagkaon.
Yeah. Let's just buy this.
Kami lang. Kami fudgy bar. Ayaw ba?
Okay, girl. Give me that
Ayaw ba?
video.
Ano lang, tulo ka buok. Guys, we've got fudgy bar.
And this almost
So,
died.
Mine almost fell. So let's go back home.
I'm going to eat
We are Flores de Mayo, and I will show you our classmates at Flores that are playing basketball. Okay. Some of them are not Flores de Mayos.
and they are not girls. So
They're all boys, but
Yeah.
there's also some girls, of course.
no, what are you doing?
Okay.
Go to the house and eat some. Yum. Hatag na balik boy ha. Usa man hatagon lagi ka ko. Nakensan. Ngala na ko si
Becca Bex.
Beck. Dili lagi Becca Beck. Kabalo na sila ang sa ko name.
She's name is Rebecca. So kids come. It's close. It's